Dan here from the Dangerously Fit Academy. So in today's video, we're going to be going through the steel club side clean. Sometimes you'll hear this exercise referred to as a pendulum. Basically, it's exactly the same thing. So it's the clean type movement, but we're going to go in that frontal plane. So if you're going to do that exercise with a kettlebell, it's very much a sagittal plane exercise. So with a kettlebell clean, we're going to go up and down and slightly back to front, okay? It's exactly the same movement with a club bell, except we're going to go in that frontal plane. And that's what makes club bell training so interesting, is because we've got that elongated weight. It's so much easier to go into the frontal plane, transverse plane, to move it around the body. Okay, but just know it's exactly the same movement. So from here, we're going to start in the order position. So shoulder down and pack down, lat turned on, 90-degree angle in the elbow and straight wrist. From there, there's two directions we can go in. So if I'm holding my right hand, I can either go inside, so towards the center line, or away from the center line. So we're going to go an inside side clean. So starting off in the order position, I begin the movement by turning my thoracic and just transferring the weight onto that back glute. My feet point forward. So I'm going to rotate the thoracic, charge that weight onto that back glute. From there, I'm going to cast out, elbow lock, shoulder down and pack down. As the club bell passes my center line, I transfer the weight onto the opposite side. So with club bell training, when we're going in that frontal plane, it's important to keep charging your weight to the opposite direction, because otherwise if I cast that weight off to the side and I've got a heavy club bell, it's going to pull me with it. Okay, so we want to counter that weight as it's moving around. So as I cross the center line, I transfer the weight onto this left leg, and then as I pass the center line again, I'll transfer the weight onto that right leg. So we'll just do a few reps to show you what it looks like. In the order position, I'm going to rotate the thoracic, charge that back leg, and from there cast, and then back into the order position. The other direction we can go is on the outside, so it's exactly the same movement, but instead of going across the center line, we're going to go away from the center line. So all we do in this case is we would transfer the weight onto that back leg, turn the thoracic that direction, and then from there cast, arm lock, shoulder pack down, swing, back into that order position.